Our planet is experiencing an unprecedented increase in natural disasters. From devastating hurricanes to unexpected earthquakes, these events reshape landscapes and lives in mere moments. This comprehensive guide will equip you with essential knowledge to survive nature's most formidable challenges. Hurricanes have become increasingly frequent visitors to coastal regions, particularly in the Caribbean and southern United States. These massive storms demand serious preparation and quick thinking. When a hurricane approaches, your safest haven is a secure basement or an interior room without windows, such as a bathroom or closet. A sturdy piece of furniture can become your shield against a collapsing roof. Your most vital companion during a hurricane is a battery-powered weather radio. This device becomes your lifeline to the outside world, providing crucial evacuation orders and survival instructions. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Fortify your home by installing sturdy shutters and panels on windows and doors. Secure your roof well before the storm season begins. If you're caught driving during a hurricane, abandon your vehicle and seek shelter in a building. Never assume an overpass will protect you. Mobile home residents should evacuate to safer ground when time permits. These structures rarely withstand a hurricane's fury. Imagine winds spinning at 300 miles per hour, powerful enough to lift cars and demolish buildings. That's the reality of a tornado. Nature provides warning signs, darkening skies, dropping barometric pressure, and an eerie calm before the storm. When these signs appear, immediate action is crucial. Underground shelters offer the best protection. If that's not available, seek the lowest floor of a building, preferably in a central room away from windows. The middle of the room is your safest spot, as debris tends to collect in corners. Protect your head with cushions or your arms, it could save your life. In public buildings, avoid open spaces like gymnasiums and auditoriums. Instead, find a compact area and take cover under solid furniture. Remember, you can't outrun a tornado in your car. If caught in the open, lie flat in a ditch or low area, protecting your head with your arms. Tsunamis are nature's stealth attackers. These massive ocean waves, triggered by earthquakes or underwater landslides, can strike coastal areas with devastating force. The key to survival is immediate action. When you feel an earthquake near the coast, don't wait for official warnings. Move to higher ground immediately. Beachfront hotels and tall buildings can become life-saving shelters if evacuation isn't possible. Counterintuitively, if you're at sea when a tsunami approaches, stay there. The waves are most dangerous near the coast. Coastal residents should maintain a clear evacuation plan and ensure all family members know the designated meeting point. Floods claim more lives and property than any other natural disaster. They transform familiar landscapes into treacherous waterways within hours or even minutes. When flood warnings sound, evacuate to higher ground immediately. Take essential documents in waterproof containers. If caught in rising waters, avoid swimming across flowing water. Flood currents carrying debris are deceptively powerful. In a worst-case scenario, swim backwards, using your arms to steer while keeping your head above water. Winter sports enthusiasts face the unique danger of avalanches. These massive snowslides move with frightening speed, burying everything in their path. If caught in an avalanche's path, move to the slope's edge quickly. Drop heavy equipment to increase mobility. If you can't escape, grab onto a sturdy tree to stay above the snow. When buried, create an air pocket in front of your face and conserve energy. Don't shout unless you hear rescuers nearby. Preserve your air and energy for survival. Wildfires demonstrate nature's raw power, spreading at incredible speeds and devouring everything in their path. Breathing becomes the primary challenge in a wildfire zone. Cover your nose and mouth with a wet cloth and move upwind of the fire. Seek areas without trees or brush. If possible, find a building for shelter, leaving doors unlocked for firefighters. Water bodies provide refuge when buildings aren't available. If driving away is an option, take it, but stay in your vehicle even if thick smoke makes driving impossible. Earthquakes strike without warning, testing buildings and human resilience alike. The greatest danger often comes not from the shaking itself, but from falling objects. Secure heavy furniture, TV sets, and bookshelves to walls. Avoid hanging heavy items above beds or seating areas. When shaking begins indoors, stay there. Drop to the floor, Get under a sturdy table and hold on. Cover your neck and head with one hand while maintaining your grip with the other. If no table is available, stay low and protect your head with your arms. Snowstorms can transform familiar landscapes into deadly winter wastelands. Home preparation is crucial. Insulate water pipes to prevent freezing and stock up on essential supplies before the storm hits. If stranded outside, creating a snow shelter could save your life. Dig into a hillside at an upward angle, creating a sleeping area above the entrance. The physics of rising warm air works in your favor here. Create ventilation holes with a branch to prevent carbon dioxide buildup. Pack snow at the entrance for insulation. Certain principles apply to all natural disasters. Maintain a basic survival kit with enough supplies for 72 hours. Include water, 1 gallon per person per day, non-perishable food, a battery-powered weather radio, flashlight, first aid supplies, dust masks, and basic tools. Keep important documents in waterproof containers, and maintain a charged emergency phone with backup power. Know your area's evacuation routes and emergency shelter locations. Create a family communication plan and practice it regularly. While natural disasters are becoming more frequent and severe, human resilience and preparation remain our strongest defenses. Understanding these survival strategies transforms us from helpless victims into prepared survivors. Stay informed, stay prepared, and remember, knowledge and quick thinking save lives when nature unleashes its fury. Natural disaster preparation isn't about living in fear, it's about embracing the power of knowledge and preparation to protect ourselves and our loved ones. By understanding these survival strategies, we transform potential tragedy into tales of resilience and survival.